Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. Just had another thought on a quick little basic program. Not that we're not going to continue with the other one. Anyway, just imagine you are in front of your 64 or whatever Commodore machine except for an Amiga. Type in the following. Line 10. Sorry, I'll say it exactly. 10. FOR I equal sign 1 TO 10. Hit return. 20. Print PRINT. Quote. Hello. HELLO. Quote. Press return. 30. NEXT. I. Hit return. Type run. That should print hello 10 times. Boom, down the screen. If you want to experiment with that, change that number. Change what it says. There. So get started. And welcome to the wonderful world of Commodore.